Hi, my name's Tom, and people often ask me, how do you make a cool, refreshing summery drink? Well, I'm about to show you how with a dish I call the ice cream spider. Let's jump in. First of all, I'm going to grab my ice cream. Today we're using my favourite, the Bullet Creamy Classics. Not too classic, but not too creamy. Have a look at that. Now, what I've got here is an ice cream scoop that I've prepared with warm water to make it slide through the ice cream like a knife slides through butter on a warm day. So creamy. Just getting one scoop there. And coming in with our second scoop here. Now I've got a quite small glass today, so I'm using 2 scoops of ice cream. However, the sky's the limit with ice cream. The bigger the glass, the more you can put in. So go ham on that one. Put that to the side. Now I'm going to put my ice cream back in the freezer so it stays frozen. While I'm here though, I'm going to go into my fridge and grab out some Kirk's sugar-free creaming soda. I've gotten sugar-free so I don't feel so bad when I eat my ice cream. Now I'm going to crack that one open. You can hear a little bit of a hiss from carbonation. And now what I'm going to do is truly masterful. And watch this. As I tip the creaming soda in, you can see it fizz up and fizzle. That's a reaction that some scientists may know the reason for, but I don't. All I know is that it makes a delicious foamy head that you might get at a bad pub. Now I'm going to keep slowly pouring in creaming soda. As you can see, the foam is starting to climb a little bit above the lip of the glass, but that's not really a problem because it stays quite firm. Check that one out. That is quite impressive, isn't it? I'm just going to keep tipping and tipping and tipping until I'm becoming slightly uncomfortable with the height of the foam, which I am now. I'm going to leave this one out though because I'll show you a cool trick for later on. Now I forgot a straw for my ice cream spider, so I'm going to have to eat it with a spoon instead. But if you have a straw, please feel free to use one. Now that I've gotten my spoon, what I'm going to do is I'm going to just take some of that delicious foam off the top. Melt in your mouth. It's there, it's gone. Oh, delicious. Now I'm just going to have a bit of a sip. And I'll show you how the spoon can be used for this. What you can do is grab your spoon and put it into the glass. Grab a little bit of ice cream there, a little bit of foam. Oh, delicious. So good. Now I bet you guys at home wondering, wait, he said he was going to say something more about the creaming soda. What was that? I'll show you. Now that we've kind of had about half of our spider, what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab the creaming soda and open it back up and keep pouring a little bit in. As we can see, it's just refilling the glass, but it does maintain that cool, foamy action. And now, it's good as new. It's like we never had a first sip. Anyway, I'm going to enjoy this one. I hope you fellas at home can too.